Plain and simple, the miter stand is designed to increase the utility of your miter saw. The right product will make the process of using your tool as intuitive and seamless as possible. From height adjustment to portability to accommodating different material lengths, the perfect miter stand can handle just about anything. There are many products available to choose best miter saw stands, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bosch T4B Miter Saw Stand. This Bosch miter saw stand is fully equipped. The namesake gravity rise system makes it very easy to open your stand up to proper height with very little effort involved. At 77 pounds, it's a monster of a stand. Luckily, 8-inch wheels make it easy to roll around. Getting it in and out of the truck is still going to be fun though. With an impressive material capacity of 18 feet, this stand is leading the pack, making it possible for you to easily work with materials of any length. To that end, it has adjustable feet that allow you to make it completely level on any surface. Helping achieve this, a telescoping leveling leg is built in to provide stability when working on uneven surfaces. In case you're wondering, it does fit through a standard doorway. Expect to shell out a pretty penny for all these great features though. All in all, we think that this is the best miter saw stand of the year. Number 2. DEWALT DWX 726 Miter Saw Stand. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, this DEWALT miter saw stand is very stout. It features pneumatic-assisted raising and lowering to make it easy and quick to set up or break down. The mounting rails adjust very easily to accommodate a wide range of different sized miter saws. At 67 pounds, this is a pretty heavy unit, but it's also very solid, and we didn't experience any unwanted movement while working with it. Since it is so heavy, DEWALT has built 2 wheels into this design to make it easy to roll around. For many though, 8 feet is plenty, since that's the length of a standard 2x4 anyway. Overall, it's a stout and stable stand, and we think it's a close second to the Bosch, but at a more affordable price. Number 3. Makita WST06 Compact Folding Miter Saw Stand. For an amazingly lightweight miter saw stand that doesn't sacrifice on weight capacity or extension length, we recommend considering Makita's WST06. Its lightweight tubular aluminum construction helps it to weigh in at an ultra-portable 33.7 pounds, and with a fully extended size of 100.5 inches, you'll certainly have plenty of workspace. Even though it's light enough to carry in one hand via the integrated side handle, the WST06 is also equipped with solid rubber wheels for rolling transportation around the job site. The tubular aluminum construction is designed in such a way that, in spite of being hollow, it can still support an impressive 500 pounds, more than enough for any miter saw you might have. Number 4. BORA Portamate Miter Saw Stand. This folding miter saw stand from BORA is a no-frills added tool that performs its job admirably, but without any need for extras or conveniences. We think its combination of very low price and high strength make it the best miter saw stand for the money. There are no wheels, but they're not necessary since this stand only weighs 30 pounds and is easily carried. But don't let the light weight fool you, this is a very sturdy stand. With a weight capacity of 500 pounds, you're unlikely to even get close to pushing this stand's limits. However, we weren't thrilled with the extension arms. When you tighten them down all the way, they would twist and no longer be square. This meant we had to spend more time making adjustments than we would have liked, though we did work it out in the end. Number 5. Toughbuilt 124-inch miter saw stand. With one of the largest material support capacities of any miter saw stand that we've tested, as well as the most rugged tires we've seen yet, the Toughbuilt miter saw stand certainly lives up to its name. If your working area resembles a battlefield more than a workshop, its heavy-duty steel construction might be just the thing you need. That being said, the handles aren't mounted too comfortably for transport and can lead to a lot of banged-up knuckles. It's fairly pricey, but a great option for anyone who needs an extra durable miter saw stand.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.